The rise in the middle class is very important when we are looking at superpowers, because it's the middle classes that are spending, and spending drives consumption, which drives economic growth. But also resource consumption as well. And the best place for this to be illustrated is in China, where it's middle class adults, i.e., those that aren't super rich, but neither those that are super poor. Middle class adults are growing, and they are already in China. The Chinese middle class are the biggest middle class in the world, outstripping even now the United States. In terms of the whole world, you can see that the changes in the rich areas of the world, Europe and North America, are not particularly great, but Middle East, Africa, Asia and Latin America, huge changes in middle class growth. So with that comes more consumption, more spending, more development, but also more resource consumption as well. So the environmental impacts of that are quite damaging. Just another way of showing the trends here with this graph. You can see China and India by 2050 are going to make up over half of the global middle classes. A good way of illustrating the growth in the middle class is meat consumption. Obviously, meat is expensive, and as more people are in a position to afford it, more people are buying it, and that is best seen again here in China. The growth in meat consumption has absolutely skyrocketed since the mid-70s. So the impacts of this shift on food, on water, on energy and resources. Obviously on food, more meat means more agriculture, more land for agriculture, more irrigation, more water needed, which of course links on to water there, but also more water use domestically, more water being drunk. Energy, bigger houses, more energy being used. More people can spend, therefore more things need to be made in factories, meaning more energy need to be used, which of course links to more resources needing to be used as well, so that people have got things to buy. So yeah, that's really the key point. Growth in the middle class has a huge effect on resources and the environment, and a higher middle class, a higher percentage of the middle class, is just another indicator of China and, to an extent, India's rise as a possible future superpower.